If you're looking for an easy way to create high-converting story ads for Instagram and Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate professional-looking story ads using AdCreative AI. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to take advantage of this powerful tool and create ads that grab attention and drive results. Plus, I've got an exclusive bonus for you if you check out the first link below. So let's dive in. First off, what is AdCreative AI? It's an AI-powered platform designed to help you quickly create ad creatives for your digital campaigns. The beauty of it is, it simplifies the process by generating multiple ad designs, including story ads that are optimized for social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. You don't need to be a graphic designer or spend hours manually creating ads. This software uses AI to automate much of the creative process for you. When you log into AdCreative AI, the first thing you'll notice is its intuitive interface. You can start by selecting the platform you're advertising on, like Instagram or Facebook. Then you input some basic information about your campaign. You might be promoting a product, a service, or maybe just brand awareness. Whatever your goal is, AdCreative AI will generate multiple versions of your ad that are tailored to the audience you're targeting. Here's where it gets interesting. AdCreative AI doesn't just generate random images. It uses data and machine learning to design ads that are more likely to resonate with your target audience. The software takes into account best practices, such as color psychology, layout, and text positioning, to ensure your ad has a higher chance of converting. But we're specifically talking about generating story ads here. Story ads are unique in that they need to be designed with mobile users in mind. They're quick, engaging, and often need to deliver a punchy message in a matter of seconds. With AdCreative AI, it automatically formats your ads into the optimal size for Instagram and Facebook stories. You can upload your own images or let the AI suggest some based on your campaign objectives. After choosing your visuals, you'll enter your ad copy. AdCreative AI can even suggest text and headlines that align with your goals, ensuring your ad is not just visually appealing, but also compelling in terms of messaging. Once you're satisfied with your ad, you can preview it to see how it looks in a story format before you push it live. But here's a pro tip. The real magic of AdCreative AI is its optimization capabilities. After generating your initial ads, the software allows you to track how they perform and make adjustments as needed. You can easily A/B test different designs and copy to see what works best for your audience, making it a great tool for ongoing campaign refinement. What's even better is you don't need to be a professional marketer to make this work. If you're just starting out with digital marketing, or you're an entrepreneur with limited resources, this software allows you to create high-quality ads that can compete with those made by large companies. Before we wrap up, remember that AdCreative AI offers an exclusive extended free trial for you to use right now. So if you're interested in generating story ads for Instagram and Facebook that actually convert, click the link below to get started. And if you're still on the fence, just know that you can start experimenting with it for free, no commitment required. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your ad creation process and take your campaigns to the next level. You can create beautiful, high-performing story ads with AdCreative AI in minutes. Give it a try using the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.